Got a CBS file from a PlayStation 2 game saving workflow? This is a save file from Codebreaker PS2 cheat device used for game state management. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these PS2 save files. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering CBS files with corrupted internal metadata. CBS files are save game files associated with Codebreaker, a PlayStation 2 cheat device that included save management features. They contain compressed PS2 game save data, enabling players to backup, share, and transfer save games between memory cards across the PlayStation 2 game library through the Codebreaker hardware and software. CBS save files use Codebreaker's proprietary format with header information, identifying the source, PS2 game, compress save data, and integrity verification. The format encapsulates the original PS2 save data structure, adding metadata for cross-game compatibility within the Codebreaker save management ecosystem on PlayStation 2 hardware. The anticipated software for loading CBS is Mymc, created by open source. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows does not interpret custom game formats, so proper use relies on specialized engine utilities. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your CBS file and click Open With. If Mymc is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If your CBS file will not open yet, do not panic. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, loading on Codebreaker. Use Codebreaker hardware on a PlayStation 2 console to load CBS files. Insert the Codebreaker disk into the console, connect a memory card, and use the save management interface to transfer CBS files from USB storage to the memory card. The save then becomes available in compatible PS2 games. Next, converting save formats. Use save conversion tools like ULaunch or PS2. Save Builder to convert CBS files to other PS2 save formats like PSU Max or Shark. These conversions enable using saves with different cheat devices or modded PS2 systems. Choose the format compatible with your specific PS2 hardware and software setup. Finally, using PCSX2 Emulator. Convert CBS files for use with PCSX2, the PS2 emulator on PC. Use PS2 save converter utilities to extract the save data and import into PCSX2's virtual memory cards. This enables continuing PS2 game progress on Emulator, providing access to original PS2 save data through modern computing hardware. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.